Do you want to create music video covers of hit songs featuring any character you want? Whether that's the voice of Donald Trump, Obama, or even yourself? All you need is this incredible AI tool, and the best part is, it's completely free. Hello everyone, I'm Sotai. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for a fast and seamless vocal cloning solution, I've got some great news for you. Today we're going to explore a tool that lets you generate vocal tracks with absolutely any voice you want, all in just a matter of seconds. The accuracy, the emotion, and the overall audio quality are just mind-blowingly realistic. That's right, the absolute game changer we're checking out today is SoulX-Singer. As you guys are hearing in this demo right now, all I have to do is drop in a reference voice clip, like Obama's voice, for example, and instantly I can generate a complete vocal track using that exact voice.
To you. Happy birthday.
Just listen to that. The phrasing and vocal runs are completely natural and just mind-blowingly accurate. But it doesn't stop there. This tool brings some absolutely insane features to the table. As you guys can see on the screen right now, we have lyric editing, which allows you to tweak the lyrics. You can actually generate a completely new set of lyrics based on the melody you drop in.
A kiss, a show, a stare, meet the skies.
And you can even perform a section of lyrics in a completely new singing style, just like you're hearing right here.
Who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it?
Come, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it?
Sounds pretty incredible, right? So, in today's video, we're going to completely break down this SoulX-Singer tool together. We'll dive deep into exactly how to build out its workflow right inside ComfyUI. And of course, we'll put the actual quality to the test to see just how insane it really is. And as always, guys, if you do find today's content helpful, make sure to whack a like on there for me. Consider subscribing and of course, ring that bell notification icon so you never miss out on any of these amazing AI tools. All right, let's get straight into it. All right, before we get our hands dirty building out this workflow in ComfyUI, let's take a quick look at what SoulX-Singer actually is and why it's been completely shaking up the AI community lately. This is an absolute monster of a new release from Soul AI Lab, a seriously impressive team behind a whole bunch of top-tier AI audio solutions that I will definitely be reviewing for you guys in future videos. So what exactly makes SoulX-Singer so powerful? There are three key things. First off, with older solutions, if you wanted to clone someone's voice, you had to gather tons of data and leave your machine running to train a model, which was a massive headache. Well, that just changed forever. Now you just drop a few seconds of reference audio into SoulX-Singer and boom, you instantly get a vocal track in that exact voice. It's fast, it's seamless, and there is absolutely zero model training required. Number two, the power comes from a massive data set. This model has been fed over 42,000 hours of incredibly clean, carefully processed audio data. Thanks to this huge volume of data, the AI is able to understand and generalize pretty much every vocal range on the planet. That's exactly why it can mimic any character's voice you throw at it so easily and smoothly. And finally, its secret weapon. The ability to completely decouple the voice from the lyrics. What does this mean? It allows the AI to retain 100% of the character's vocal identity and maintain absolute consistency, even if you switch to different lyrics, a completely new style, or even cross-lingual singing. Someone who only speaks English can sing perfectly in Chinese while keeping their exact original voice. It's just mind-blowing. So those are just a few of the insane features of SoulX-Singer. But right now, I'm not going to make you guys wait any longer. Let's roll up our sleeves, jump straight into ComfyUI, build out a complete workflow, and put this thing to the ultimate test right now. And of course, to actually build out this workflow inside ComfyUI, you're going to need a custom node to get things running. Luckily for us, the community has already dropped an absolutely incredible custom node called ComfyUI RH SoulX-Singer. This thing packs all the tools and features you need to get this working seamlessly. When it comes to installation, you guys have two different routes you can take. The first, and definitely the easiest, is to just open up your ComfyUI manager, search for the exact name of this node, and hit install. Boom, you're done. The second option, just like with any other custom node, is the manual route. You just navigate to your custom nodes folder, open up your terminal, and type in a few commands to clone the repo, install the requirements, and download the checkpoints exactly as I'm showing you on screen right now. My honest advice: just use the manager to keep things quick and easy. But if you're the type who prefers the manual install to have better control over any potential errors, I've actually put together a super detailed step-by-step guide over on the channel's Patreon. I'll be sure to drop the link for that down below in the description. All right, once you've got all of that installed, just go ahead and restart ComfyUI, and we are officially ready to piece together our very first SoulX-Singer workflow. Looking at the screen, you guys will see that today's workflow is incredibly minimal. Why is that? Because this custom node has done all the heavy lifting and hidden all the complex algorithms right under the hood. Our only job is to feed the input data into this central node right here, the SVS processor, which stands for Singing Voice Synthesis, and of course we just plug the output straight into a save audio node to save our final result. Now let's break this down step by step. Step 1, we call up the soul of the system by loading the pipeline through the SVS loader node right here. Step 2, drop in a reference audio clip. It can be absolutely anyone's voice, even your own. For this example, I'm going to use a very iconic speech clip from former President Obama.
Good afternoon, everybody. And on behalf of the American people, I want to...
Step 3. Aside from the input voice audio, we need to extract its metadata to make sure the data is super clean. Don't worry about any complicated coding here. We already have a pair of nodes ready to handle this, the process pipeline and the processor. They will completely automate the entire metadata extraction process for us. And step 4, the final piece of the puzzle is the melody. We're also going to load the metadata of the audio file containing our melody right here. Let's take a quick listen to this original melody. Yep, the unmistakable universal happy birthday tune. And just like that, with a few simple drag and drop connections, our SoulX-Singer workflow is completely finished. But hold on, don't hit run just yet. If you want to get those absolute top tier results, there are a few crucial parameter secrets that you guys absolutely need to know. First up is selecting the right language. When extracting metadata, SoulX-Singer currently supports 3 main languages: Mandarin, Cantonese, and English. But if you look at my screen right now, why are there only 2 options? Well, that's because I'm running this demo on the Running Hub platform, and they haven't updated to the latest version of this custom node just yet. But when you guys install this locally on your own machines, you will definitely see that English option in there. Just make sure to select the correct language for your audio file so the pipeline can nail that pronunciation perfectly. Number 2 is the max merge duration parameter. To put it simply, this is the maximum length of the audio chunks that get sliced up for the pipeline to process. Because the character's voice has consistent characteristics across the clips, I only need to set this to 30,000 when processing the character's voice, and I'll bump it up to 60,000 for the melody section because I really want that melody to be dead-on accurate. From my own testing, using these exact settings gives you a much smoother and way more accurate final output. And the final parameter, which is honestly the most important one, is the control type. Over in the SVS processor node, SoulX-Singer lets you force the AI to sing in 2 different ways: melody conditioned and score conditioned. Sounds a bit technical, right? Let me break it down for you guys. Melody is for when you want the AI to be an exact carbon copy. It will stick 100% to the original track, matching every single vocal run, emphasis, and even the breathing patterns. Score, on the other hand, is when you want the AI to hit the exact right pitches, but gives it the freedom to vibe a bit more so it's not strictly locked into the original singing style. This is absolutely perfect if you guys want to create a cover with a completely fresh, unique style that breaks away from the original. But talking about it is one thing, seeing it is another. So to really show you guys the difference between these 2 modes, we're going to put it to the test right now. All right, let's try out melody first. I'm going to hit run, and let's take a listen to what we get back. All right, the render is done. Let's plug in those headphones and take a listen.
Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday to you.
Wow, are you guys hearing this? Absolute goosebumps. That iconic Obama voice singing the happy birthday melody is incredibly smooth, natural, and perfectly on beat down to the millimeter. And remember guys, I only waited a few seconds, no fine-tuning, no model training. Just from one short voice recording, we instantly got a cover track like this. Absolutely insane. But hold on, as promised, let's test out the difference between the two modes. I'm going to switch over to the score mode and see how the model switches things up. Let's hit run and check it out.
Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, do you guys hear the difference? It's still happy birthday, but the delivery, the vocal runs, and the phrasing have completely changed. It has a totally different vibe, much freer, more expressive, exactly like I explained earlier. With this score mode, you can absolutely create completely unique, one-of-a-kind covers for your characters. However, as you guys can hear, because the model is given free rein over the phrasing in this mode, sometimes it can get a little goofy, sounding a bit forced and unnatural. You just have to be willing to generate it a few times, keep experimenting, and pick the take that sounds the best and makes the most sense. Alright, let me continue to flex on you guys with another insane feature of SoulX-Singer, and that is its cross-lingual singing capability. Right here, I've got a super catchy Chinese track ready to go. Just imagine, what on earth is it going to sound like when Obama sings in Chinese? I'm not going to say another word. Let's hit run and witness the magic.
夜深了，眼泪很长，是谁让你如此煎熬？感情路上摔了跤，不代表你就不够好。对的人总是会知道，就当从命运开的玩笑。不是你的丑，别再勉强。是你的想跑也逃不掉，总会有人把你看得比自己更重要，会有人发现你身上所有的好，总会有人拥抱你微笑背后的伤，长夜觉得世界不
Wow, this is absolute black magic, guys. Our guy Obama is spitting Chinese at this as smoothly as a native speaker. As you can see, even though we completely switched to a different language, that deep, signature, warm tone is kept 100% intact. The phrasing and vocal runs sound incredibly natural. I've got to be honest with you guys. My Chinese isn't exactly great, so are there any Chinese language wizards watching this video right now? Please do me a favor and drop a comment down below to let me know if Obama's pronunciation is 100% accurate. But to the ears of a casual listener, I'd rate this result as absolutely outstanding. Creating cross-border covers and breaking down language barriers is literally a piece of cake now. It's just so much fun to play with. Just imagine, guys, if you take this top-tier audio workflow and combine it with the video generation workflows I've shown you in previous videos, boom, you could absolutely produce your own viral million-view cover MVs that are completely unique and out of this world. So that wraps up my guide on how to build out the SoulX-Singer workflow. I really hope you guys watch the whole video to catch all the little tricks and tips I dropped along the way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to whack a like on there for me and share this video so more people can find the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will catch you on the next one.